Today we're showing you a 2022 John Deere 4044M tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor, has right around 25 hours on it, so the tractor is practically new. It does come with the balance of the factory warranty. The 4044M is rated at 43 horsepower. Does have the hydrostat transmission. See some snow there on the floorboards, but very clean tractor. Obviously with the low hours, it's practically new. Again, does have the hydrostat transmission, easy forward back. You're looking for a nice tractor for brush hogging, raking hay, anything of that nature. Makes somebody a real nice tractor. The hydrostat transmission does have the 3 ranges in it, which are shifted on this lever. Looks like the John Deere warranty runs into 2028. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at masttractor.com.